Okay, here is my setup for 220 for my car. Fuse box is over there. Wire runs across the ceiling, comes out here, and goes to this J box here. The orange wire goes over to my dryer, which is over there someplace. And then I have a cord that just goes 3 feet through the rim joist into the garage. And that wire I got for nothing. So all I really did was put in this J box, clip the wires and splice them together in there, and ran this wire out there. So we'll take a look at that in the garage. So here's the setup I've got out in the garage here then. So I've got my Kia Niro here and my Chevy Bolt. And the Bolt is plugged into the 110, which is over here. It's just plugged in next to my refrigerator here. And I use that to just top it off. I put on a couple miles, 30 miles today. So I plug it in overnight just to top the thing off. But if I need to get her filled up and I want it done by the morning, then I've got this. And that's the plug-in from the wire that comes through the basement there, tapped into the dryer. And I bought this EVSE special because it's programmable. I paid 85 bucks for that on eBay, and I've got it set for 24 amps maximum, so I don't overload the circuit. This is a 30 amp circuit. I do have a 32 amp here, which did work, but it popped the fuse once in a while, and I didn't really like that, so I got rid of that. So I've got that cord that goes through there. It'll reach both cars, and a lot of times I'll charge them both at the same time. Try to keep one car, at 90%, 85, 90%. So that works out pretty good. And then I've got the sticker on the dryer so that we don't run the dryer and the charging at the same time. And that works out really good. Pretty cheap deal. I've got under $100 in that whole setup. So, when people talk about, the thousands and thousands of dollars, they're talking about having an electrician come in and pull a separate wire and all this stuff. But I think if I went with a heavier wire and a separate, separate run, I would save maybe an hour in charging. I think the most this will ever take me from, 10 to 90% from my Bolt here. Probably about 8 hours, 9 hours. Easily done overnight. So I don't really care. It works out just perfect, and I'm not going to spend the extra money. I looked into off-peak, and it would take me probably 15, 20 years to justify that cost, so I'm not doing that either. So this works out just fine.